In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Squarespace account efficiently and without any hassle. Whether you've decided to take your website elsewhere or simply no longer require the service, I'll guide you through each step clearly. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is your launching point for accessing all account-related actions. Make sure you're ready with your login credentials so you can sign into your account smoothly. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on Get Started. This will guide you into your individual Squarespace dashboard where most of the essential adjustments can be made. On your dashboard, you'll notice an option labeled Settings. Clicking on this will open a new set of options, but your focus should be directed towards Billing. Select Billing, and it will expand to show another option called Subscription. It's in the Subscription tab that you can view the various plans you might be subscribed to. Next up, you're going to want to choose the specific subscription you wish to cancel. This is a crucial step, particularly if you have multiple subscriptions active, so double-check you're canceling the right one. After you've confirmed your selection, the next step is to look for the Cancel Subscription button. It's important to note here that if you happen to be on a free trial, this option might show up as Cancel Trial instead. Regardless, the action remains the same, and you'll begin the cancellation process for your selected plan. Now, while your subscription cancellation may have been successful, there are a couple of more steps if you wish to fully delete your Squarespace account. You'll want to head back to your account dashboard. Once there, locate and click on Account Settings. This part is essential if your intention is to erase any remaining account ties. Upon entering the account settings, you'll see an option for Account and Security. Select this, and you will be presented with the final step in our process: Delete Account. Be sure to carefully consider any data you might lose permanently, as this action is irreversible. If you're certain about your decision, select Delete Account. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to canceling your Squarespace account. Following these straightforward steps should ensure a smooth transition away from the platform. Remember, canceling the subscription and deleting the account are two distinct actions, so be sure to complete both if you want to fully terminate your relationship with Squarespace. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more how-to videos and insights.